We are in a ryokan in Suwako, Lake Suwa, in Nagano Prefecture in Japan. And here's a room tour. This is our room, room 501. It's the higher category suite called the Wide Japanese Western Suite with open air bath. This particular room is called Kakitsubata. So as we enter, this is just the entrance area. Start by taking a look at the bedroom. Very comfortable Western style. There's a bed and not a tatami. Forgot to open the shades, but anyway, so this is the bedroom. It's a pretty new ryokan, so it smells fresh and new. You can smell the cedar wood, which is it's a very nice smell. Anyway, so this is the bedroom. And then we come out here. Again, this is where we came from. This is the door to the bathroom. We'll show it just because it's there. Here's the toilet. And then over here is the vanity. And here is the shower and the tub. But this is just a regular bath, not a onsen hot springs bath. That is actually out in the balcony. So anyways, here's the living room. This is the dresser, which has the yukata and other necessities. Really nice and airy and comfortable. Not too modern, but not too old. Very tastefully decorated. But the calling card of this ryokan is the open air onsen bath that has a beautiful view of Lake Suwa. So this is the fifth floor, so it's the top floor of the ryokan. Here's the bath. It's semi-open air in that it's not completely outdoor, open to the elements. But you can open these windows and you have a very, very nice view of Lake Suwa. On a clear day, you'll be able to see Mount Fuji, although it's quite a ways in the distance, so you're not going to have an incredible close-up view of it. But that's, if you want to have a better view of Fuji from a lake, it's better to go to one of the Fuji 5 lakes, such as Kawaguchiko. So anyways, very nice. This is a natural onsen hot springs bath. Just chill out. They also have the interesting thing about this place is that they have a co-ed onsen bath on the rooftop of the ryokan, where they actually have kind of a swimwear that people could put on and go and enjoy the view of the lake with your significant other, with other people. It's a communal bath. So anyways, this is the Wide Japanese Western Suite at Sui Suwako. A small ryokan, 8 rooms, but has all the amenities and comfort and great service. We'll find out about the food later, but the rooms with open air bath should satisfy just about anyone's comfort desires.